Hey, look at that, I got another order. Yeah, this should work. Box is a little bit big. Whatevs. Let's get this puppy shipped. Yeah, it's about a pound. Holy smokes! $12.61 to send it ground advantage? It's just a squishmallow. $12.61. Guess that's just the cost of doing business.
Is that really the cost of doing business? Or do we think Roy made a few mistakes? Let's break it down. Remember when Roy hastily picked up a box? That was a bad Roy. And when Roy gave the box a rattle to determine the weight? Again, bad Roy. Did you know that both the box dimensions and the weight can affect the cost of a shipment? Had Roy picked the correct size box and determined the true weight for the item he was shipping,
and 15 ounces.
It's possible that he may have paid less than half. Let's take a look. The box that Roy picked out was 12 inches by 12 inches by 16 inches. And with a guesstimate weight of 1 pound, as we saw, it was going to cost him $12.61. Had Roy selected a more appropriate box with smaller dimensions and calculated the true weight, let's see what he could have paid.
Hey, $6.16. Not too bad.
Now that's a good Roy. This holiday season could be filled with guessing and making costly mistakes. Or we can all learn from Roy and not get put in the doghouse. So don't be a bad Roy, be a good Roy. And to be the best Roy, visit FP Mailing Solutions for valuable tips and tricks for all of your mailing and shipping needs.